Hi, it's Asad Hamza from investone.com, and today we are going to talk about scalping, trading strategies, and techniques. So, we're gonna scalp the market in just a few minutes. So, here is the Euro USD chart, time frame 1 hour. So, we're gonna scalp the market using the 5 minutes time frame. To scalp the market easily and start making money using the scalping techniques. So the first thing, what is scalping? The scalping technique is simply to scalp the market and earning few pipes from the market quickly. So the first thing to be aware of when you want to trade the Euro USD, for example, this is a currency pair, you should check firstly the spread, because for example, if your profit target is, for example, 20 pips and the spread is 20 pips, you're gonna make no penny. So be aware of the spread price, check it firstly, and then target more than the spread price, just to be aware of that specific. So what currencies to trade? I advise you to trade the major currencies, like all the currencies that have the USD currency in it. For example, the Euro USD, the Australian dollar USD, also the USD GPY, the CHF USD, this GBP USD, all the currencies that have the USD in that pair, you can trade it using the scalping strategy, because it's very volatile and you will not have any problems trading it. So the first thing to do is to trade using the scalping strategy is to switch to the 4-hour time frame and then set the moving averages, the simple moving averages, the 200 moving averages to know about the major trend you are going to trade. For example, here we have the 4-hour time frame, and it's really, here we have the major trend is an uptrend. So we switch for the daily. So the major trend is an uptrend right there. So the first thing to do is to enter the market, is to buy the market. If the scalping strategy tells you to buy the to sell the market, don't sell it. So don't enter against the major trend you have in the pair of currency. So we are going to delete the 200 moving averages, just to know about the major trend. Here is the odd cut, here the daily, and we're gonna moving averages 2000s, and it's clear that the major trend is a downtrend. So we switch for the 4-hour time frame, and the major trend is a downtrend. It's an uptrend in the hourly. So if you want to trade using the 5 minutes time frame, just use the 1-hour time frame to set the major trend. If you want to use the 4-hour time frame, look for the daily time frame, and like that. Okay, we're gonna use the 5 time frame. So we're gonna check the 1-hour time frame, and it's going up. So the major trend is an uptrend. So we're gonna untrend the market as we're gonna buy the market and not selling it. So we remove the moving average, the 200 moving average. So firstly, you're gonna set the 7 moving averages, then you're gonna set the 3 periodic moving averages. So set it in, okay, red, 3 moving averages. Then we set the 15 moving averages. We're gonna set it, okay, just to use a clear color. Okay, it's blue violet. Okay, so we're gonna just to scalp the market, you need to enter the market. For example, if you want to sell the market, the 3 moving averages must cross the 7 moving averages from the top to the bottom. Like you see here, the 3 moving averages cross the 7 moving averages from the top to the bottom. Then you enter for a sell position, but be aware of the 15 moving averages. It must be downward and not upward. Here we have a 15 moving a sideline 15 moving averages, so we don't enter the market because it's not a volatile market. So I just want to look for some others. So here we have the 15 moving averages is down. I'm sorry for that, the MetaTrader make that. Okay, we have here a downward trend. We have here a downward trend. Okay, we're gonna shift it like that. We have here a downward trend here. It's a downward trend, and we have the 3 moving averages cross the 7 moving averages from the top to the bottom. So enter the market here and exit it when the 3 moving averages start to cross the 7 moving averages from the bottom to the top. Yes, from the bottom to the top. So you enter here and exit the market here. For example, here we have a downward 15 moving averages here. We have it here, and the 3 moving averages cross the 7 moving averages from the top to the bottom. So you enter the market here and you exit it here or here. Okay, you're gonna make significant pipes here, a significant amount of pipes, but be aware of the spread. I repeat that, be aware of spread prices, because for example here we have 30 points spread. If you target in odd CAD currency pair, for example 20 pips, you're gonna make a loss of 10 pips just because you do not pay attention to the spread price. So how about entering the buy position? For example, here we have the 3 moving averages cross the 7 moving averages from the bottom to the top, and we have the 15 moving averages goes up. They have an uptrend, so we enter the market here because the 3 moving averages cross the 7 moving averages from the bottom to the top, and we exit the market when the 3 moving averages start to cross the 7 moving averages from the top to the bottom. This is the scalping strategy. It's a quite simple, but we need some confirmations. For example, I use the momentum indicator. Here we have the momentum indicator. For example, here we want to enter here. Just look here, we want to enter the market here. Oh, the fucking, I'm sorry for that word, the fucking MetaTrader makes problems. So here just look for the momentum. It must be in the overbought and oversold places. For example, here we have an overbought momentum here. The momentum displays an overbought state, so it's gonna be a good trade if we enter the market here, because here we have an overbought momentum. For example, here we have an oversold momentum, but the 15 moving averages goes down, so we do not enter the market against the 15 moving averages, because the momentum here tell us to enter for a buy position, but we have the 15 moving averages down, so you need to have a true combination between the momentum, the 15 moving averages, the 7 moving averages, and the 3 moving averages. It's really very simple, and you're gonna make profitable trades using it. So I want just to remove the momentum. Okay, that's good. There is the RSE also. You can use the RSE, the relative strong index, to confirm your decision, but I don't really use it. Just I use it to confirm that the market is a volatile one. So if the momentum goes up and down and goes up and down and goes up and down for multiple times, it's a volatile market and you should trade it. If it's not, do not trade the market. For example, we have some times that the market displays a bit volatility, then you mustn't trade the market because you're gonna make a lot of losses. And like all of the forex trading strategies, the scalping strategies is also valid and make great results if you enhance the time frame where you trade. For example, if you use it here in the 4-hour time frame, you're gonna make some significant pipes using it. So just to confirm also your decisions, for example, here if you want to enter, you must have a bearish candle that closes below the price. For example, here we can't enter the market because the 15 moving averages is in a seed line condition, and we haven't an uptrend or a downtrend. We haven't a downtrend 15 moving averages to enter the market. But what I want to tell you, that if you want to enter, for example, for a buy position, you need a bearish candle to close in the top of the moving averages. Like you see here, we have a bearish candle that closes in the top of the moving averages. So to enter the market, enter it. If you want to sell, enter it if there is a bearish candle that closes below the moving averages, and enter the market. If you want to buy the market, enter it just if a bullish candle closed in the top of the moving averages. This is all you need to know about scalping strategies. It's quite simple, but if you want to get more insights about the forex scalping strategies, here I post a topic about the forex scalping in detailed wise, how you can trade it, the currency you need to use it, and all the things you need to enter positions using the scalping strategies. So thank you very much for watching, and we meet in another video